baby blues. Yeah, there was something in the whiskey, got me thinking maybe we can have it all. Yeah, after all, now it's heel toe and around we go. It's a rodeo, but not my first, baby. The tap and you pull me back, hell yeah to that. It's hee-haw, baby. Try to get through crazy, be a blue sky daydream, be the reason why you fall. If you think that I'm the one, then say it loud. Cowboy up or cowboy out. Hey, yeah, yeah, yeah. Don't tie me down, don't cut me loose. Just put my name right next to you. 'Cause I can see the diamond ring, the dress, the cake, the whole damn thing. But I can't wait forever for you too. So it's heel toe and around we go. It's a rodeo, but not my first, baby. The tap and you pull me back, hell yeah to that. It's hee-haw, baby. Try to get through crazy, be a blue sky daydream, be the reason why you fall. If you think that I'm the one, then say it loud. Cowboy up or cowboy out. Hey, yeah, yeah, yeah. Go cowboy crazy. Yeah. It's hee-haw, baby. Heel toe around we go. It's a rodeo, but not my first, baby. Do the tap and you pull me back, hell yeah to that. It's hee-haw, baby. Will you be my ride or die? Be forever by my side. Be the reason why I fall. If you think that I'm the one, then say it loud. Cowboy up or cowboy out. Hey, yeah, yeah, yeah. If you think that I'm the one, then say it loud. Cowboy up or cowboy out. Yeah. If I'm the one that you can't live without. Cowboy up or cowboy out.
Let's learn heel toe rodeo. It's choreographed by Gary O'Reilly. It is a 32 count 4-wall improver level line dance with a restart on wall 4 after 24 counts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the restart and the ending, and then we're going to go through and dance 5 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn heel toe rodeo. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to stomp our right foot forward. You're now going to place your left heel forward, quickly step your left next to your right, and touch your right toe next to your left. You're going to quickly step down onto your right foot and place your left heel forward. Quickly step your left next to your right. We're now going to rock forward with our right foot, recover back onto your left, and we're going to do a full turning triple over our right shoulder. You're going to make a half turn, stepping forward with your right foot to face 6 o'clock. Step your left next to your right, and then you're going to make a half turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to return to 12 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left, stomping with your right. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to rock forward with our left foot. Recover back onto your right. You're going to make a half turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 6 o'clock. You're now going to make a half turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right foot to face 12 o'clock. We're going to do a left coaster step, stepping your left foot back, step your right next to your left, and then step forward with your left. We're now going to do a kickball step, kicking our right foot low and forward. Quickly step your right next to your left, and then step forward with your left. So let's try that with some counts. Weights on your right, rocking with your left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to point our right toe to the right side. You're going to quickly step your right next to your left and point your left toe to the left side. Quickly step your left next to your right and point your right toe to the right side. Hit your right knee up and then point your right toe to the right side. We're now going to do a right sailor step, crossing your right behind your left. Step your left foot to the side, step your right foot to the side. We're now going to do a quarter turning sailor step, making a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your left foot behind your right. Step your right foot to the side and then step your left foot slightly forward. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our kickball step, so you're going to do your points. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 4 and our final section of the dance. We're going to step forward with our right foot. You're going to make a half turn over your right shoulder, stepping back with your left foot to face 3 o'clock. And then you're going to do a right coaster step, stepping your right foot back, step your left next to your right, then step forward with your right. We're now going to step forward with our left. You're going to make a half turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right foot to face 9 o'clock. And then do a left coaster step, stepping your left foot back, step your right next to your left, and then step forward with your left. And then you're ready to start the dance over again. So let's try that with some counts. We just finished our quarter sailor step. You're going to step forward with your right. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then you're ready to start the dance all over again. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your stomp with your right. So it's stomp, heel step, touch step, heel step, rock, recover, full turning trip, bow, rock, recover, half, half, coaster step, kickball step, point step, point hitch, point, sailor step, quarter sailor step, forward, half, coaster step, forward, half, coaster step. Let's try it with some counts. Weights on your left, stomping with your right. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now, our dance travels counterclockwise, so wall 4 will be our 3 o'clock facing wall. We're going to dance 24 counts, which will bring us to 12 o'clock, and that's where you're going to restart the dance. So let's dance our 24 counts. Weights on your left, you're starting with your stomp. Stomp, heel step, touch step, heel step, rock, recover, full turning trip, bow, rock, recover, half, half, coaster step, kickball step, point step, point hitch, point, sailor step, quarter sailor step. Right here, you are going to restart the dance with your stomp, heel step, touch step, heel step. The music will let you know for about 16 counts before that restart happens. So there's 8 counts of lyrics, and then there is 16 counts of just music. So that's your cue that that restart is happening. Now, our final wall is wall 10. It will be a 9 o'clock facing wall. It will be the 3rd time that we're doing the side wall. You're going to dance the first 8 counts and then add on a quarter turn step to the side to face 12 o'clock. So let's dance those 8 counts so that you know where it happens. Starting with your stomp with your right, it's stomp, heel step, touch step, heel step, rock, recover, full turning trip, bow. Right here, you're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side to face 12 o'clock, and that is how you will end the dance. So now let's go around. We're going to do 5 walls of the dance so that you can practice a transition from the restart into the next wall. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. Weight is on your left, starting with your stomp. Stomp, heel step, touch step, heel step, rock, recover, full turning trip, bow, rock, recover, half, half, coaster step, kickball step, point step, point hitch, point, sailor step, sailor quarter turn, forward, half, coaster step, forward, half, coaster step, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Stomp, heel step, touch step, heel step, rock, recover, full turning trip, bow, rock, recover, half, half, coaster step, kickball step, point step, point hitch, point, sailor step, sailor quarter turn, forward, half, coaster step, forward, half, coaster step, 24 counts, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, restart, stomp, heel step, touch step, heel step, rock, recover, full turning trip, bow, rock, recover, half, half, coaster step, kickball step. Now your points. Point, step, point, hitch, point, sailor, sailor, quarter turn, forward, half, coaster, step, forward, half, coaster, step. And then you'll dance another rotation of the dance. And then after that, you will face the side wall and end the dance with your quarter turn to the right to face 12 o'clock. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn heel toe rodeo. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
We were in love, here right on track. White fields out front, cars parked out back. We had everything we needed, and you treated me like maybe I'm the one. Yeah. You hung the stars, I hung the moon. Your brown eyes caught my baby blues. Yeah, there was something in the whiskey, got me thinking maybe we can have it all. Yeah, after all. Now it's heel toe and around we go. It's a rodeo, but not my first baby. The tap and you pull me back, hell yeah, to that it's ER, baby. Drive a cat girl crazy, be a good sky daydream, be the reason why you fall. If you think that I'll go on, then say it loud. Cowboy up, cowboy out. Hey, yeah, yeah, yeah. Don't tie me down, don't cut me loose.